Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pasta and exploring 10 unique and delicious ways to prepare everyone's favorite carb. Let's get cooking. First up, we have classic carbonara. Cook spaghetti until al dente, then toss with crispy pancetta, eggs, Parmesan cheese, and plenty of black pepper for a creamy and indulgent dish. Turn up the heat with spicy arrabbiata pasta. Sauté garlic and chili flakes in olive oil, then add canned tomatoes and simmer until thickened. Toss with cooked penne and fresh basil. For a taste of Italy, whip up some pesto pasta. Blend fresh basil, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. Toss with your favorite pasta shape for a vibrant green dish. Brighten up your pasta with zesty lemon linguine. Cook linguine until tender, then toss with lemon zest, lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a refreshing twist. Indulge in creamy mushroom Alfredo. Sauté sliced mushrooms in butter until golden, then stir in heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, and cooked fettuccine. Season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Capture the flavors of summer with tomato basil caprese pasta. Toss cooked spaghetti with cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, torn basil leaves, balsamic glaze, and olive oil. For a plant-based option, try vegan spinach walnut pesto. Blend spinach, walnuts, nutritional yeast, garlic, and olive oil until smooth. Toss with your favorite pasta for a nutritious meal. Take your taste buds on a journey with Asian-inspired peanut noodles. Cook spaghetti and toss with a sauce made from peanut butter, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic, and sriracha. Embrace fall flavors with creamy butternut squash pasta. Roast butternut squash until tender, then blend with coconut milk, sage, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. Toss with cooked pasta. Finally, we have a refreshing Mediterranean orzo salad. Cook orzo until al dente, then toss with diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, red onion, and a lemon vinaigrette. And there you have it, 10 delicious ways to prepare pasta. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.